Hey everyone, okay, so today I thought we would try and do take two on the Pillow Talk mascara. So this time around, I'm not going to use the flat end, I'm just going to use the spike, and I've curled my lashes because the vertical lifting really doesn't hold up the way that it claims. So what I'm going to do is 3 very faint coats, and I tend to like this application, and I've never done this before. This is the first time with this mascara. But I do tend to like to do 3 light coats, which basically means if I'm doing an eye, so highlight color, coat of mascara, really thin coat. Crease color, coat of mascara, contour color, final coat. And that works really well on lashes that just can be a little bit more problematic. So we're just going to use the spiked end and we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to just go in and very lightly comb them up, just using the comb. Right. So we're not following instructions. That's 1 coat. So I'm not going to re-dip this. I used this end. I'm going to turn it over, place it here, and in around about 60 seconds, we'll do coat 2. Okay, coat 2. So now I don't know if you can see, but already without doing that awful flat end, it's made a difference. So let's start again. And this is coat 2. There's either one really giant lash here or it's a goodbye lash. It's committed suicide. It's having none of it. Okay. So this is coat 2. Oh, look how much better that is. Now why give instructions on using the flat side? I know that there was it's this really kind of clever way of doing it. Didn't work out very well for me. Maybe it will you. That looks so much better. Right, we'll give it 60 seconds. We're going to do a final 1 single pass. I actually think 2 passes, as we've just done with 1 single side. That's enough, right? That looks so much. See, this is what it is, right? If there wasn't this instruction, which is to apply the flat side, and I get it, that will lay in the product, and then you comb it through. I totally get that. But for lashes that aren't thick, and there's a lot of them, what can happen is on very fine lashes like myself, or perhaps yourself, they clump and they get stuck together very quickly, and combing it through isn't going to solve that. And that was the problem that I faced. And I wanted to like this mascara because, as you know, I'm a big fan of Charlotte Tilbury. So this is our final coat, and I'm just going to try and see. And let's just, okay, so there's a couple now starting to not want to separate. Where's that spike? Come on, separate. Right, that's it. I actually think 2 coats, there you go. How much better is that, right? That is so much better. Now that is longer. They're not fluffy, but they're longer. And by doing those micro coats, you're not getting that awful stuck together look. I kind of wish that brush was all the way around, so the 2 flat sides had those spikes too. Because doing it like this, I mean, other than the fact that, look at this, right? I'm just going to look in. I mean, how do you, I mean, I can do it on you, but how do you not get mascara on your lid? Honestly, honest to Betsy, there you go. That is so much better. No stupid instructions. Pillow Talk push-up lashes. Actually, with a curled lash, it does really, really well. That's really, I mean, apart from the just delicious mess on the eyelid, That's actually really much better. Let me know what you think. And by the way, I'm just revisiting this for my own sake. No one's reached out to me or anything like that. I'm almost certainly off any PR list, and I'm okay with that. But that is much better. That looks so much better. Let me know what you think. Right down there. See you soon. Bye-bye.